No, there will be no separate.
So if it's not there, then how we come to know that these vendor supply packages are resilient and it is as per the specification and design or HAZOP requirement?
You have to check the materials.
Their submission. This entire packages we are doing as per material submitted. Still we are doing HAZOP, right?
Yes, but you are saying something here, then you will see it.
No, right, that you are. Why do you review? The vendor package, now he's saying, okay, don't review it, because it's not drop open.
Okay, so what I'm saying, see, there are two ways. Either we say that blower fan malfunction trip, and then we say that provide the control and operation narrative of this blower with safeguard. That will be a recommendation for you, Emma, because we do not know now, and I don't want to put anything here which is not here. Am I right? Let us make one recommendation. Yeah. Blower fan trip. Blower fan number BT1801C. BT1801 malfunction trip. Potential. I will take on recommendation provide operation and control. Huh? No, for blower. For blower, I'm saying with safeguard. Instituting safeguard. So this will definitely insist to provide the operation control philosophy and all the safeguards of blower fan. This is low blower and this is very safe, I know, but only thing noise. Noise is a problem, Ahmed, here. What is the noise level here? 80 dB 1 meter. It is correct, huh?
Yeah, I think we can switch.
80.
80, huh? It is in the isolation box.